All right, this RTR is sick. Only one issue though. I can barely see the display. Don't worry, we got a fix for that for you guys. All right, quick fix to make that display more visible. We're gonna undo the bolts, 2 bolts to the display bracket. And what we're gonna do is simply just flip this bracket upside down. And just like that, the display is way more visible on the inside of the handlebars. Don't worry, when you buy your RTR from us here at CA E-Bikes, we will install it like this anyways. But just a quick hack for you guys who bought yours online.